what I'm going to do is change the password for admin to match GitLab. So I'll do passwd on the username admin, and I'm going to change the password. Okay, now to test that my password is working correctly, I'm going to exit, and now I'm on my local Windows PC, and I'm going to SSH admin at the IP address 192.168.1.16, and I'm going to use my new password. Awesome. All right. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. This was simply a recap of today's live stream, and we'll be live again tonight. Thank you.